Interval seconds on grand staff. I'd like you to warm up your fingers. Please follow me. I'll do twice each and say out loud to establish your rhythm. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4, 3. 3, 4, 5, 4. 3, 4, 5, 4. 4, 5, 4, 3. 4, 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3, 4. 5, 4, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, 2. The musical pattern we had is called sequence. The sequence is a melodic pattern is repeated in a higher or lower pitch level. It'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 4, 3. 3, 4, 5, 4. 4, 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 2. Left hand do the same. 1, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 4, 3. 3, 4, 5, 4. 4, 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 2. You can do both hands together. 1, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 4, 3. 3, 4, 5, 4. 4, 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 2. So that's the sequence. Before you play, you want to remember to sit tall, relax your shoulders, level your hands, curve your fingers, and use fingertips only. Step up here, Italian musical term that is moderato, means playing medium speed. In grand step, that's for piano music. The time signature here is 2/4. That the upper 2 means you have 2 beats per measure. The lower 4 means this kind of note, which is quarter note, receive 1 count. And then the half note receive 2 counts. The dynamics here is forte for you to play out loud. Repeat sign at the end. You can transpose it into all 12 different keys. Theoretically, there are 15 keys, C major plus 7 sharps and 7 flats. There are 3 pairs in harmonic, that is B major or C flat. B major has 5 sharps, C flat has 7 flats. F sharp and G flat both are 6 sharps or 6 flats. C sharp major or D flat major, 7 sharps for C sharp major and 5 flats for D flat major. I'm going to start the step up in the C major original key. You can count it with 1, 2, 1, 2, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 3 with the fingering, or you can count C, D, E, E, whichever you prefer. Count aloud to establish your rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now I'm going to next one, C sharp major or D flat major. major, E flat major, E major, F major, F sharp or G flat major, G major, A flat major, A major, B flat major, B major or C flat major. As you can see, one finger's down, one finger's up, and back to C major. To make them connect smoothly, Morato again, medium speed in grand staff, 2/4 time signature, and we have piano to play soft, and then 1 2 1 2 in each measure with repeat at the end. This one is in A minor, which is a relative minor C major. I'm going to play the original A minor for twice, and then transpose to other keys once each. You can also count 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. A flat minor, G minor, F sharp minor, F minor, E minor, E flat minor, D minor, C sharp minor, minor. Try to play this smoothly. That is called legato. And that's it. To read this part 2, we're focusing on thirds. I want you to wiggle your fingers with me and we'll count aloud together. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 2, 4, 3, 5. 2, 4, 3, 5. 3, 5, 3, 5. 3, 5, 3, 5. 5, 3, 5, 3. 5, 3, 5, 3. 5, 3, 4, 2. 5, 3, 4, 2. 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. Skipping fingers, we have adagio, means playing slowly. So P, piano, that means soft. 2/4 time signature with grand staff, written for the piano music. Upper 2 means 2 beats per measure. Lower 4 means quarter notes receive 1 count. I'm going to show you the C major with repeat and then transpose it to all these 12 different positions without repeat. 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, and 5, 3, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1. C, E, G, E, G, E, G, G, E, C, E, F, D, C. Transposing C sharp major or D flat major. D major. E flat major. E major. F major. F sharp or G flat major. G major. A flat major. As you can see, one finger's up, one finger's down to make it play smoothly and sound smoothly too. This is called legato. B flat major. To play smoothly, also play in piano is harder than playing in forte, C flat major or B major. Back to C major. And we'll slowly we were in the middle C position, and then now going one octave lower to the next C position, that you are going to play it in a forte, 2/4 time signature in the grand staff, that focusing on the skippings, the thirds, and then at the end you have a repeat to play C, E, G, E, C, E, G, C, E, G, G, F, D, C, stepping up to C sharp major or D flat major. G flat major. G major. A flat major. C flat major. Now C major, back to C major. We've learned interval seconds and interval thirds. We have learned in 12th position. And keep practicing. I'll see you next time.